Did you know that this massage glove you can clean your makeup brushes with? All you need is a massage glove that you can use as massages and our toy cleaner to clean it. This is pH balanced, and anything that's safe for your JJ is going to be safe for your face as well. So what you want to do first is kind of saturate and get this wet. Okay, and then you're going to use the cleaner and you're going to, I spray it on here, and you can spray a little bit inside here, and then just start. So you see that it's cleaning it and without hurting the bristles. So, and then you can just rinse it off. Just make sure that you spray this back on it at the very end. So this helps it clean, also put the moisture back into your bristles, and because there's no soap or residue, when you use it, you're not going to have clogged pores or soap residue at all. So this is pH balance, safe for there and here.